What is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be straight piping my WRX. And the only reason I'm starting this video inside my room is because it is 100 degrees outside. And if you don't believe me, see that? Hopefully I'm holding it right. Move it, yeah, there. Well, it feels like 100. Well, I have my car jacked up outside in the garage as we speak, and I'm probably not going to show the process of straight piping my car just because it is hot. I'm not going to want to talk to a camera, so I'm probably going to set you guys up, do a time-lapse type thing. And yeah, once everything's said and done, we'll probably start it up. I don't know if it's going to be a cold start because I already moved my car in the garage, but we will be starting it up, driving around, do some revs, do some pulls, and see how loud we can actually make this WRX. So without further ado, let's get right in the time-lapse. So that wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I did not take off my catback exhaust. I basically just disconnected it from the downpipe. So now, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it's pretty dark. I'm gonna be honest, it's pretty dark. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just have my catback exhaust hanging there. I'm probably gonna zip tie it before we actually start it up. So, give me a sec. All right, we are all good to go. So let's do this first startup. I closed the garage door because people are doing construction on my road right now, and I don't know how loud it's gonna be. So I might just crack open my garage door just to get the first start, and yeah, so I don't die from fumes. But let me get you guys set up, and let's see how this first start is. Alright, now I don't know if I'll be able to actually drive the thing because my catback exhaust is hanging a little bit low, but I'm gonna lower it, and if it's high enough, I will go for a drive. Oh. Alright, moment of truth. Oh. Is there anything hit? How close am I? How close am I? Come on! Come on, Bessie. Ooh. That's a little bit low. How much play do I have? I don't know how much play there is. Oh, we are doing that. That is not a lot of play. Alright, boys. Let's get it. So you guys know how loud my car usually is on the inside, because I do record on the inside a lot with the catback exhaust on. My gosh, it's so loud. Oh my goodness. Oh, a little popski, little popscaroonie. My goodness. Holy mackerel, my gosh, it's so GoPro for this because I'm going to be doing a pull. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. I apologize if I'm really sweaty or dirty because it is hot. I don't have AC on. All right, let's get into this pull right now. Oh my gosh. You want to do a third gear pull? I think third gear pull is... let's drop down to second. I don't think anyone's here. Here we go. Oh my gosh! Oh! That is probably the most ridiculous thing I have ever heard. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is just so much fun. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. You're gonna be hearing that a lot. Oh my, oh, listen to the pops. Oh. Oh my. Oh, it's so loud. I so hope it's picking it up on camera. This is obnoxious. That's only at $4 grand. $4 grand and I have to yell. Oh, what have I been doing with my life? Oh, I am so excited to upload this. This is fun. I love this. I'm so excited. This, I don't even know what to say. I never did this with a vehicle before, and the fact that it's so loud and beefy. Yes! Yes! Oh, I love it! Yes! Woo! Ow! 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 Do you guys hear that? I don't think you guys understand how loud and how good this sounds. Oh, I'm in love. I'm actually in love. Oh gosh. I'm sweaty. I don't even care. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. It just speaks for itself. Like, oh, I don't know what to say. I've never been this happy or excited over a car before. Oh, this is why I love cars. How can you not hear that and be, yes, more? Yes. Yes. We are pulling up to a spot where I actually do some revs. Hopefully I'm not going to disturb too many people. I really should. I'm in the middle of a farmland on a back road that no one uses. Ah, there are people here. No big deal. They're doing construction on this bridge up here, and I just want some exhaust clips, so I'm just gonna turn around real smooth like. I just need some exhaust clips. That's all I need. It's for you guys, let's be honest. Oh my gosh. It's just so good. Oh, what was that? You gotta be careful. You gotta be real careful. I absolutely love it. I'm keeping it. No, I'm just kidding. I can't keep it. I'd 100% get pulled over in this thing if I kept it. But, oh my gosh, how can you? Oh, I'm hot. But it doesn't matter. I got a straight piped exhaust. Whew. Whew. Ooh, I smell that. That smelly smell. That certain smell. Raw fuel is basically what I'm smelling. Oh my gosh, that was only $5 grand too. I heard some pops. Hopefully we got some flames. I don't know if we got flames though, or not. I'm so excited I can't even word. Oh my gosh, it's better than a freaking ZR1. Called out. Street speed. Called out. Street speed called out. Do you just... It might not sound good on camera. I'm being dead serious. It might not sound good. But in person, oh, it's like, yes, more, please. Yes. Oh. This is what I live for. There's a car behind me. Hopefully that's not a cop. I'm gonna try to keep it a little under the radar. I don't think that's a cop. No, that's like a VW or something. I don't know what else to say. Like, this is so good. Oh, this man gonna be like, he'd be like, I wish I had straight pipe. He didn't even look. He's not even a car guy. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun making this. I hope it shows on camera how excited I am, how like just the genuine happiness that I'm going through just listening to this car. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is just the tip of the iceberg basically for my channel. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps out the video. And as always guys, I will see each and every one of you in my next upload.